You alright?
No. Oh.
Shut up, Kyle.
Dude, that rolled so bad. Fuck it. Rolled sideways, dude.
Yeah, that shit.
No. Fucking rolled sideways. God. Turn the fucking camera off. No, it's not fucking funny.
Alright.
You fucking turn it.
Yeah, I know. I rolled my ankle yesterday pretty bad, but not probably as bad as yours. Because I didn't think rolling ankles would be that bad. But mine actually was.
Did it hit your funny bone?
Yeah, in my wrist. Yeah, I hit my funny bone. Yeah. Throw it back. When you hit your funny bone, you're gonna start acting funny.